Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Afi Hakim, student ID DM98276. Today I will present to you about business and product development. Here are my group members. In this presentation, I am going to explain about the method of selling and safety of online selling. First, I am going to focus on the method of selling. There are two types of method of selling. Website, a platform that allows us to manage our own online storefront. Next, e-commerce website, an online marketplace like Shopee. We need to make sure that both of our website and e-commerce store are accessible on mobile devices. However, competitors do still exist, especially for the products that fall into certain demands. Here are some examples of e-commerce website: GrabFood, Shopee, and Foodpanda. Here is a quote by the great Warren Buffett: "Without passion, you don't have energy. Without energy, you have nothing." Next, I'm going to talk about the safety of online selling. Sorry. First, health and safety requirements. During the pandemic, people must adapt to apply social distancing from one another. Always avoid physical contact. Next, online banking. Online banking is easy to access as everyone has their own smartphone. People can use it anywhere they wish to. Other than that, the community can also go cashless. Third, delivery service. Drivers must learn the importance of safety. We don't want our drivers to deliver to poorly illuminated areas as that can be very dangerous to them. Finally, we must make sure that our drivers follow the safety driving policies. Here is our product, frozen popiah. Why popiah, you ask? It is easy to find as you can order it on GrabFood and Foodpanda. Next, it is easy to prepare. You can just do it by heating it in the air fryer as it is already pre-cooked. Finally, there are a variety of flavors such as vegetables, chicken, and seafood. College students and single parents are our main target. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad Rizal, and today I'll be talking about creating a presence on YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform where content creators create content and share it to the public. It caters to a wide range of demographics as it has 2 billion users worldwide and growing year by year. But do you know, YouTube is not always a content sharing platform like you think. It can also be used as a source of advertisement like you see on TV. So, in order to capture the attention of users on YouTube, you must target the targeted demographic and also create quality content that people want. So, these are the 4 ways on how to apply our content on YouTube. Firstly, create an official YouTube channel. Make sure to create an official YouTube channel by opening a brand account on Google. This is to make sure you can easily differentiate between personal account and your marketing account easily. Other than that, there are also few benefits of creating a brand account, as you can select necessary field of your business. This is so that YouTube algorithm can promote your advert. Moreover, by creating a brand account, it can also be easily managed as multiple people or admins can access the account at the same time. This can be helpful so that the account can be much more manageable and up to date. Part 2. Learn about your audience and create a following. To begin, when developing a video, ensure that it is focused on a certain issue. For example, if we search for popiah, our brand will be the search top result. Check if it's a searchable result and make sure that the title is short and straightforward. Aside from that, we may use video tags to make it easier for viewers to discover our materials. This can also make sure our targeted audience is rich. So, we've already created a viewer, but now we need to convert them into a follower. So, create a video that they'll want to watch. Part 3. Always improve your channel. Even with a huge number of followings, it is important for us to keep our momentum and keep up with time. One of the things we can do is always engage ourselves with the audience. The world is always evolving and business competitors have never been more competitive. Always make sure that they are always talking about your brand so that it will not be forgotten. Part 4. Integrate channel with socials and websites. With all that matter and done, it's important that customers know more about the product and website. A short video won't make up to justice to what product you are selling, so putting a link to the product social account, website, or email in the video description or in the video itself can help you solve this problem. Upon clicking the link, viewers are redirected to our social account or website. This will encourage customers to read more about this product we are selling, as it will be easier for them to find out more instead of going to another app.
Good day everyone, my name is Tan Hen Jie. Today, I'll be telling you about how we can utilize Google Workspace when we are running a business so that we can run our business smoothly and efficiently. First of all, let me introduce you to 10 apps that are available in Google Workspace and are very helpful and easy to use. These apps are Gmail, Google Meet, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Sites, Google Calendar, Google Tasks, and Google Keep. The first app I'll present to you is Gmail. Gmail is the most popular email alternative for people nowadays, especially in the professional work field. We can store and access all data and information regarding our business across all platforms using our Gmail account. Besides, we can send emails as well as receiving emails using the Gmail app. One of the most important features of Gmail is that we can sign in to other apps and websites using our Gmail accounts. This way, we don't have to create multiple accounts for each app and website. The next app is Google Meet. Google Meet is a great tool for us to conduct meetings because it is free and has a lot of useful features. We can share our screen during the meeting so that others can understand our ideas more easily and discussions can be more productive. The next app, Google Drive, is an app that works as a cloud storage. Cloud storage means that we can upload and store whatever files we want in Google Drive, and we can access them whenever and wherever we want, as long as we have an internet connection. We can also back up important files to Google Drive to prevent losing them in case our hardware storage breaks down. Furthermore, I'm going to introduce you to the next 3 apps that we can use to create and edit files in Google Workspace. The 3 apps are Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. We can use Google Docs for text files, Google Sheets for spreadsheet files, and Google Slides for slideshow files. These 3 apps have a lot of unique features and functionalities that we can explore to help us create more interesting and attractive designs in our files. Let's move on to Google Sites. Google Sites is a great app that we can use to help us create and design a website so that our business can reach out to more customers and clients. It is an easy and free to use app, especially for people who don't know much about programming and is having a fresh start on their business. Next, Google Calendar. As the name suggests, Google Calendar is an app that serves the basic functionalities of a normal calendar, which is to view date. However, it also has other functionalities, such as we can subscribe to a particular calendar so that we can view events available in that calendar. We can also plan events such as meetings on Google Meet using Google Calendar app by syncing with other people's calendar in order to avoid clashes. Moving on, we have Google Tasks. Google Tasks is an app that helps people to set and list their tasks. You can manage our tasks by setting details about a task in the app. Google Tasks is a useful tool to help people manage tasks, and it also serves as a reminder for people who easily forget. The great thing about Google Tasks is that it can be accessed in many other Google Workspace apps. The last app is Google Keep. Google Keep's functions are very similar to Google Tasks. It can help us take notes at any instant of time. We can use Google Keep to remind ourselves on things we might forget. Just like Google Tasks, we can access Google Keep in other Google Workspace apps too. And that is all from me for now. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abdullah Responsori. For my part, I'll be discussing about Google My Business. First of all, we'll be talking about setting up Google My Business. Then we'll be talking about products and services preview that Google My Business provides, as well as promotions, online booking, and the customer review features. Okay, first of all, setting up Google My Business, you need to set up your business under Google My Business. So as you can see in the picture, there's two ways, either to find your business by typing in your business name, but usually most of the time new businesses don't have their businesses already on Google, so they have to add in their business by clicking on the button add your business to Google, as you can see under cannot find your business. And then after you press that, there is a section where you need to fill in all your details about your company, about your organization. So in Google My Business, there is a feature where you can showcase your products and services. Like for example, in this picture, this is a company called Genesis of Alexandria from US, if I'm not mistaken. And you can see under the product section below here, you can see that there's three products that we can view. Actually, there's more, but you have to press the right button to see more of them. Okay, then next we have promotions. For promotions, promotions is also a key feature for Google My Business. Organization can set up promotions, and for example, for us, for our company, we plan on setting up promotions. So this is how you utilize Google My Business for marketing purposes. Right, next we have online booking. The online booking feature in Google My Business allows people to book online anything, as usually services of a company, but in this case people can also book online our products, say if they want to buy in bulk, or they want to buy it later, they can book online first, so that we can make sure we have enough product for them. And finally, we have the customer review feature. For this one, customers can leave behind their reviews on our products and also on our company. So like for example, in the picture, someone wrote a review about the bumblebee product. It's very useful for us to be able to review what customer wants and what customer expects from our company. Okay, that is all from me. Thank
I'll
you.
be presenting my part in this project. SSM, Suruhanjaya Healthcare Malaysia. How to register a company in Malaysia. This guide will provide you information regarding how to do an SSM company search via SSM e-info. Register SSM. Register your own company in Malaysia is not complicated. You just need to follow a few simple steps to get your company registered under Suruhanjaya Healthcare Malaysia. First of all, brainstorm company names. It is recommended to get a trade name rather than your own personal name for your business. A company trade name will look more professional. You will need at least 3 name suggestions to be written down on the form Borang PNA 42, although only one will be approved from each company. Second, check company name availability. SSM online system with a brief view of registered company names at SSM registry of companies. You're safe. Your name search fee by checking the name available will have a better idea to decide your new company name. Thirdly, complete the form Borang PNA 42 to register a company trade name. For trade name registration, you need to fill up in the top 3 desired names for your companies in the first section of Borang PNA 42, followed by the type or nature of the business you are going to operate. Lastly, complete the Borang A to register your company, then submit the 2 forms to SSM head office. This is Borang PNA 42 and this is Borang A. That's all for me, then submit the 2 forms to SSM head office. This is Borang PNA 42 and this is Borang A. That's all for me from today.